How to fix Play Store saying in this video, guys, I will teach you and show you the correct way how to fix this on your Google Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, open apps and here search for Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store when you found it, then go to storage option. Here go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now what's next, guys? You have to go to Google Play service and you have now to click here force stop and click OK, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another videos.